This video shows how to install a GunWraps AR-15 kit step by step. Quick safety first. Always treat every firearm as loaded until you've personally confirmed it's clear. Have your rifle unloaded, tools and gloves ready. You'll need a degreaser, isopropyl alcohol, a lint-free cloth, a soft brush, hobby knife, heat gun, hand squeegee, and optional adhesive promoter and application gloves. Step 1. Cleaning and surface prep. Proper surface preparation is essential for a clean, long-lasting wrap. Thoroughly inspect and clean your AR-15. Confirm the rifle is unloaded. Remove oil and grease using a gun-safe degreaser, and use a soft brush to clean crevices and recessed areas. Wipe all surfaces with isopropyl alcohol to remove any remaining residue. Wash your hands after cleaning to keep oils off the surface. Dry with a lint-free cloth or allow the rifle to air dry. Step 2. Layout and alignment. Lay out all universal pieces included in your kit. Some pieces include relief cuts to help the vinyl conform around curves, edges, and recessed areas. Carefully remove each piece from the backing, especially thinner sections. Test fit pieces before committing, and apply all pieces in the same direction for consistent alignment. Your kit includes pieces for the magazine, Picatinny rails, upper left receiver, lower left receiver, left magazine well, dust cover, upper right receiver, forward assist, lower right receiver, right magazine well, optional, right magazine well, right grip, left grip, handguard assembly, and buttstock. Step 3. Apply main pieces. For each section, start with the larger, flatter sections first. This typically refers to the upper and lower receiver sections, handguard areas, and other broad, flat surfaces before moving into smaller or more detailed components. When installing the upper and lower receiver sections, anchor from a flat reference surface and work outward, using natural seam lines and edges for alignment, while allowing relief cuts to settle into recessed areas without forcing stretch. Once aligned, press down the center first, then work outward toward the edges using firm, even pressure with your fingers or a glove. Avoid trapping air as you work. Because AR-15 platforms vary, light trimming may be required for a clean fit. Take your time and make small adjustments as needed. For the magazine well pieces, use the opening as your primary reference point, anchoring along the edge and working outward while trimming lightly as needed for a clean fit. Anchor from a flat reference surface and work outward, using natural seam lines and edges for alignment, while allowing relief cuts to settle into recessed areas without forcing stretch. Smaller components, such as the forward assist, benefit from slow placement, centering the piece first and applying even pressure, while the dust cover area should be aligned carefully along panel edges, with attention to clearance around moving parts. For the magazine well pieces, use the opening as your primary reference point, anchoring along the edge and working outward while trimming lightly as needed for a clean fit. Because AR-15 platforms vary, light trimming may be required for a clean fit. Take your time and make small adjustments as needed. Align grip pieces using natural reference points and press firmly from the center outward, conforming the vinyl around contours and edges. Use controlled heat to soften the vinyl and help it conform to contours, edges, and recessed areas. Trim excess material with a sharp blade. Remove excess vinyl and tape. Then wrap the opposite side. Be careful not to overheat. Press firmly along seams using a squeegee or gloved hand. Trim excess material with a sharp blade. Optional, primer. Primer can improve long-term durability in areas prone to lifting, such as corners, edges, or tight recesses. Use 3M Primer 94 Adhesive Promoter to reinforce adhesion in these areas. Activate by crushing the marked dots to saturate the sponge tip. It dries clear with no residue. Apply lightly only where needed, and avoid overstretching the vinyl, as this can weaken the adhesive. Some patterns have a directional flow that require extra attention during alignment. And in certain cases, you may need to cut the entire top piece in two so the pattern aligns correctly, similar to how the stars must match across the firearm. On some specific firearms like mine, this extra step is necessary to maintain proper visual alignment across the Picatinny rails and upper receiver sections. About 80% of the time, this is not required, but certain rifle configurations will need to be cut this way for the pattern to line up properly. The handguard assembly should be installed in manageable sections, using vent openings and contour lines as alignment guides, while applying controlled heat to help the material settle evenly into channels. Buttstock pieces should be applied gradually over compound curves, using natural seams and breakpoints to maintain smooth transitions and consistent edge control. Step 4. Detail trim and heat set. With the main wrap installed, begin final detailing. Use controlled heat to soften the vinyl and help it conform to contours, edges, and recessed areas. Press firmly along seams using a squeegee or gloved hand. Trim excess material with a sharp blade. Then post heat-wrapped areas to lock the vinyl in place. Be careful not to overheat. Step 5. Magazine wrap installation. Insert the magazine into the rifle and use a pencil to draw a guideline where the mag meets the lower receiver. Remove the magazine. Apply green cut tape so the bottom edge aligns with the pencil mark. Center the vinyl on the front of the magazine using the V-cuts. Wrap one side using light heat to follow the shape. Trim as needed, then wrap the opposite side. Step 6. Final trim and post heat. Trim along the cut tape, remove excess vinyl and tape, then lightly heat the magazine. Apply firm pressure across all surfaces to ensure a strong, long-lasting bond. That's it. Double-check fitment and edges, store tools safely, and enjoy your protected firearm. GunWraps products are proudly made in the USA, waterproof, non-reflective, and built to last. Protect, personalize, and style your firearms with confidence.